Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need two things right away: an active Google account with calendar events and admin-level access in Go High Level. Start by signing into Google and confirming Calendar is enabled for the account you'll link. Once done, sign into Go High Level as an admin and open settings. Make sure two-factor authentication is configured and the account owner email matches the Google account. This prevents permission conflicts and speeds up the OAuth flow when you initiate the connection. Now you'll perform the core connection. In Go High Level, go to Settings, then Integrations, and select Google Calendar. Click Connect and follow the OAuth prompts. Grant read and write access and allow event modification so GHL can create, update, and block times. After authorization, pick which Google Calendar is primary and set default appointment buffers and notification preferences. Make sure to map user calendars to corresponding GHL users to finish by testing. Create an appointment in Go High Level and verify it appears in Google Calendar. Then create one in Google to confirm two-way sync. Make sure time zone settings match in both accounts and adjust buffer rules or availability windows if needed. If events don't appear or conflicts persist, reauthorize the integration to refresh OAuth tokens, check user-level calendar mappings, and clear browser cache before retrying. This quick token refresh resolves most permission and sync hiccups without deeper intervention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.